Meet Superpowers, the open-source framework that gives AI coding agents real professional skills, over 164,000 GitHub stars and growing fast. 164,000 stars on GitHub. That's not hype, that's developers voting with their clicks. Superpowers is the real deal. Superpowers gives your AI agent a complete 7-stage professional workflow from brainstorming and planning all the way through test-driven development and code review, like hiring a senior engineer who never sleeps. It's composable, multi-platform, and enforces best practices automatically, works on Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot CLI, Gemini CLI, and more. Your agent supercharged everywhere. Getting started takes seconds. Install from the Claude Code Marketplace or grab it directly from GitHub. One command and your AI agent levels up instantly. Without Superpowers, your AI agent guesses, breaks things, and skips tests. With Superpowers, it brainstorms properly, writes a plan, runs tests first, and reviews its own work. Night and day difference. The skills library covers everything: testing, debugging, planning, code review, and team collaboration. Each skill is a composable module your agent can chain together. Give your AI coding agent actual superpowers. Link is in the description. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, share it with your dev friends, and subscribe for more AI tools like this.